All right, just got my Galaxy 26 in, and I need to protect the cover. This thing is very unique. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. It comes with its casing, so you can actually put your phone in here and pull the whole thing up, and then you're ready to go. This is something that it's very unique when they include the actual encase enclosure with it. Now, if you do mess up, they do give you an extra ones, all right? So it's all included in here. You can always reuse it. Now, to put it back to this style, I kind of doubt it because this thing is made really good where you're gonna be able to just to put the phone in there and pull the lever, and that's it. So we're gonna do that live right now, not live, but in the video, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it tells you that it's gonna be facing up like this, all right? So this part right here has to go over it, and then you pull the whole thing once you close it in there, right? So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna take out the cover. I have not touched anything or any fingerprints. This still has the original cover that came with it right now. We're just gonna put it in there in place. It just says instruction. Press the phone firmly. Make sure that the camera is facing up, and then place the gently pull back, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the phone. Well, we're gonna take this off first. All right, take the cover off. Go straight into the actual cover itself. If it could fit. There we go. There we go. Close it up. We're gonna close it completely up, and you're gonna have to hold it firmly, all right, when you pull this, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then all you gotta do is hold down, and that's it. That's it. Let's hope it came out good, and then let's hope I am filming because I'm not gonna redo this again. So let's go ahead and take it out. And let it sit there for a bit, or let's see if any bubbles came up. But that was it. That was pretty much it. It's a one-time deal, but like I said, they do give you extra covers. Now to put it back in place, it's gonna be a little bit upsetting to try to do the whole thing because you're gonna toss this away as soon as you. I do that. So the verdict. Look at that. Perfect. So I am very impressed with it because the camera it looks like it captured the camera because last time I messed up on the camera, but this time it got a little a little bit off the edge, but the camera hasn't been compromised. It looks good. I mean, this cover looks really good. I like it. It's very thin. You can see the whole thing through it. Now this is a see-through cover, not a security cover, because it has the phone itself has a security filter system that's gonna block certain side views. So I don't need the actual extra layer of security. This is just to protect the actual glass itself, and that's pretty much what I need it for. So very simple. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful on the phone accessory. I like that.